Welcome back to another video, yo. It's a sky wolf.
They run towards you super fast.
Why?
And film it.
Well, oh man, he ran.
There's the other one.
Wait, where's the other one? I don't see it.
Look, he's standing up.
Oh, there he is somewhere. Oh, there. Oh, it's right under my, or above my finger. Or, well, he was. Come on. So that's where he, no. Hi.
Hey,
You're on YouTube again.
yes.
What? No, I didn't get that. White dare.
He's eating. There aren't really that many predators for bunnies. So, like, you'll be in a park and you'll just, sometimes, I remember seeing, like, I don't know, like 10 of them. Just, like, hopping around.
You're on YouTube again. Oh my gosh, that was so weird. We are again.
Flowers, yes.
What?
Flowers coming down from the tree.
The only one.
Uh-huh.
It's a pit in the ground. Yeet! What else is there to see? These trees, and there's some more trees. So where's the turtle?
There's his head. He
I
jumped.
also-
He was on that log and he jumped in when we got too close.
When
Like. Oh, never mind.
there it is. In here.
We thought this was a snake yesterday, but it's just somebody's headphone.
What are you doing?
Sad.
So go.
Oh,
walk
of
through.
what? 1 sec. You said of what?
The snake behind you.
Some dogs, but then look at these. All these little. There's some small bird footprints here. See them?
Yeah, but there's a bug on me. Die.
And then that. Look at the size of that bird footprint.
Yeah.
That's a big bird right there.
Oh my gosh, look at that. I wonder what could be in here.
And this is where all the tadpoles or little fish are.
No, this is where all the magic happens. This tree, it died. Sad tree. Here.
I mean, the only thing I could think of is maybe a turtle.
Huh.
Because they can crawl out.
Okay.
Oh, a golf ball.
Oh, what? Where? I don't see anything.
Yeah, he just picked it.
Okay. So I'm gonna step over this.
You need help? Or go over here. Like where it's
I'm
like
just
more
gonna-
narrow.
Boy. Okay. Oh, there's a bunch of dog footprints.
I think that's a deer right there, bub.
Ooh, deer,
Oh, yeah.
deer. Oh! Look at that blue bird. It's really hard to see, but if you see that little blue thing,
Walk
or-
up,
yeah,
walk
that
up
little
on it.
blue thing over here somewhere.
Back on
Then,
the yellow post.
yeah, I know. So the blue bird right here is what are these birds called?
I think it's called an eastern bluebird.
No, he's on the ground now. Oh, now he's up there. Here's a closer look to the bird. Oh, he's gone.
Yeah, I was like, I can't. I looked up last night. I was like, what is it?
That's really cool.
Yeah. We are in the scariest forest in the world. Oh, just get out that light sky, turn it to black.
Yeah, don't listen to the traffic.
Yeah, don't listen to that. There's nothing to hear here.
I wonder if they were just making a barrier here.
Hey Dad, did you see that over there?
Yeah, this must be a don't go past.
Oh wait, there's a car over there. Do you see the lights? Yeah. There is branches. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Yeah, probably means.
That probably means.
Oh, the Mormon church is right there.
And there's the little orange little thingy majigger right there.
I thought I just saw a firefly.
Oh, did you? I saw an article in the Chronicle that they're back.